Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Check this out. These cats can't figure out their new toy. Well, it's not a new toy. I've had it for a while, a long time while, and I just finally took it out of the box for the very first time. Now, I believe this one was designed to have a cloth covering up the thing spinning around, so you just see the feathery thing spinning on the edge, but no, what's the fun of that? The first time the cats jump on it, the cloth is going to move. Yeah, so that's ain't how we're going to be doing it. But regardless of how we do it, and yes, it is regardless, not irregardless. Irregardless isn't a word. Irrespective is a word. Irregardless is not. But I digress. So, regardless of how we're doing it, these cats cannot figure it out. Yeah. What do you think? So, did you expect to get an English lesson of grammar and words and, kind of fancy talking thing like that? Yeah. So, do you have cats? You ever tried one of these things? Well, number one, let me just tell you, if you have a cat and you want to get one of these things, they're battery operated, do not leave it unattended with a cat. There's different settings. And it's supposed to be pressure sensitive, not to do any damage or harm to the cat. But no, in any of these toys, I'm sure it even says it on the package. I always do the disclaimer, do not let your cat play with this toy. Your cat could get hurt. Oh, what? Talk about a disclaimer. I mean, yeah, it really doesn't say that. It says don't let your cat play unattended with this toy. And you shouldn't let your cat play unattended with any string toy, because they could chew that string up and they could swallow it and then they could try to poop it out in the string. Yeah, that's just bad news all around, right? But I wouldn't be surprised to see a disclaimer like that, because, nobody wants to take responsibility, for their own actions of using an item. So every company wants to just not take responsibility and say, well, if you're not taking responsibility as the user, we're going to say, that hammer we made, do not hit nails with it. So if you're using the hammer, hey, it's not our fault. We told you not to hit nails with it. Yeah. Alright, so leave your comments in the comment section. Hey, as always, thanks for watching. Peanut says hi.
Meister 22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.